Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's advanced vocabulary word is tenacious. Let's learn what it means. Tenacious means determined and persistent. A tenacious person does not give up easily, even when facing difficulties. Here's an example. Despite many setbacks, she remained tenacious and achieved her goal. This means she never gave up and continued working towards success. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word tenacious? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!